mental health principles in total national development to improve quality of life. The objective of National Mental Health Program are minimum mental health care to underprivileged population. Number 2, application of mental health knowledge. And number 3, promote community participation. So these are the objective of National Mental Health Program. Next, coming to the strategies. The strategies are to integrate mental health with primary health care, to deliver minimum mental health care services, to strengthening tertiary care institution for treatment of mental disorders, and setting up regulatory authority for mental health to protect their right. Next, coming to the district mental health program. The district mental health program was launched under NMHP in the year 1996 in 4 districts and was later expanded to 123 districts in Excel plan. The components of district mental health program are early detection and treatment, training, IEC means information, education and communication, and fourthly monitoring. The activities of district level mental health program are: the services at district level are residential training of medical and paramedical person regarding mental disorder. Number 2, inpatient and outpatient services. Next, to train staff to detect postpartum depression or psychosis. Next, making referral. Next service is disability certification, laboratory services, counseling and management, in and outpatient detoxification service. These are all the services provided by the district mental health program. And the last service is outreach services. Next, coming to the mental health services by CHC or community health center. These are out and inpatient and referral services, continuing care service and counseling service. Next, coming to the mental health services at PHC or primary health center. The services are training of medical officer, provide more community mental health worker, availability of drugs, for example psychotropic medicine, home-based and community-based continuing care and support, identification of mental health emergency and referral, counseling service, rehabilitation service, case finding and mental health promotion and literacy, community-based continuing care services. So these are the services provided by the primary health center. Next, coming to the drug de-addiction program. The drug de-addiction program was started in India by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare in the year 1985 to 86. The activities under the program are broadly divided in 2 arms. Number 1 is supply reduction and number 2 is demand reduction. The aims and objectives of the drug de-addiction program are to create awareness about ill effects of alcoholism and substance abuse to the individual. Number 2 aims is to develop culture-specific models for prevention of addiction and treatment and rehabilitation of the addicts. Number 3 aims is to evolve and provide a complete range of community-based services for identification, motivation, detoxification, counseling, aftercare and rehabilitation of users. And number 4 aims is increase community participation and public cooperation for reduction in demand of substances having potential for abuse. So these are the aims and objectives of drug de-addiction program. So here I am completing the whole chapter, mental health and substance abuse disorder.